Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm Teryn and I post a lot of skincare focused beauty videos, as well as fashion and lifestyle videos. If that interests you, feel free to check out my other videos, like and subscribe. In this video, I'm going to show you how I deal with my breakouts. These three things are what really helped me while I was going through my TRETINOIN Purge. I'm going to start off with the Peter Thomas Roth Therapeutic Sulfur Acne Mask. This is a medicated mask with 10% maximum strength sulfur, purifying kaolin clay, and bentonite clay. Sulfur is great for acne because it has antifungal and antibacterial properties. Sulfur also absorbs excess oil. This mask was formulated to exfoliate the skin, therefore it reduces the appearance of clogged pores. I leave the mask on for 5 to 10 minutes and then I rinse it off and pat my face to dry. The next step is a free step, ice. In the future, I will probably use a refrigerated facial roller, but in this video, I just used some regular ice cubes and a hand towel. I let the ice cube sit on the hand towel for a few minutes so it can absorb some of the cold water and just get chilled to my liking. I wrap the ice cubes inside the hand towel and then I just rub it across my face, focusing on the areas of my face that are inflamed. I love the cooling sensation that this brings to my skin, and it just seems like my skin just feels new after I do this. I like to ice my face at night before I do the rest of my skincare routine, but you can do it in the morning before you wash your face or however it fits best into your skincare routine. Icing acne reduces the appearance of redness and also decreases the swelling. This last step is something that I've kept on hand for years now. Pimple patches. You can get them from Target, Walmart, Amazon, Ulta, wherever. I highly recommend keeping these on hand. I keep them when I travel, I keep them wherever. Pimple patches absorb the yuck out of your zits and also prevent you from picking at your skin and helps it to avoid direct sunlight. On the weekends, if I'm planning to stay in, I wear them all day. You can also wear them during the day underneath your face mask. Some even come in cool shapes and colors so you can have a little bit of a facial decoration. Some of them are also matte and can be worn underneath makeup. Check out the link in the description box for everything that I mentioned in this video except the ice. Maybe I'll throw in an ice tray. Before we go, I just wanted to do the comment of the week. This week's comment of the week is from Linda Weston. The comment reads, "You are so great. It's also cute how many subs you have. I can say this. I'm 69 years old and you're really young and cute. I predict your subs will go way up." Thank you so much, Linda. This comment is really sweet. I love when you guys leave encouraging comments. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments what helps you when you're dealing with a breakout. And as always, please remember to like, share, subscribe, and comment for more videos. Thank you again.